The air we breathe indoors is filled with particles, bacteria, and viruses we cannot see, and is often significantly worse in quality when compared to outdoor air. Installing an ultraviolet or UV light in your home will effectively destroy contaminants like mold and mildew while killing airborne germs, bacteria, and viruses. Through the use of targeted UV radiation, the DNA of these organisms are destroyed, eliminating their ability to live in the air you breathe. As a matter of fact, hospitals have used UV lights for decades to maintain indoor air sanitation. Our UV bulb is the strongest in the industry, offering 180 microwatts of power with a coating on both sides that leads to less deterioration than your average UV bulb. Our ultraviolet bulb does more to create a healthier, safer environment for you and your family, while also aiding in the longevity of your HVAC system. Ready for cleaner air? Ask your technician about installing a UV light in your home today.